Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can check the processor, CPU, and hard drive health of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our task manager, and we can do that by simply pressing Ctrl Shift Escape key, or you can also go to your task manager by making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to task manager options, or make a right click here in the taskbar and then go to task manager window. So once this task manager window is up on our screen, all we need to do is to go to performance tab right next to the first tab, and in here you will see the CPU health, the CPU utilization, the processes. I have here the utilization 22 to 25 to 29%, 18 to 29%, 17 to 29%. Okay, so for the speed, I have also 1.74 gigahertz. We also have the processes, 201 processes, the threads, the handles, and once you see or you have checked the CPU tab here or option, let's proceed with the memory. So in here, you can see that the in-use memory which is compressed, is 6.3 gigabytes. There are 9.3 or 15.9 gigabytes committed, and the page pool is 556 MB. Non-page pool is 574. The cache, I have here 1023 MB of cache, and the available here is 1 gigabytes. So here we have also the speed 4266, and the slots used are 2 out of 2. And let's check now the disk management or the disk. So in here, if you're using a normal disk, I suggest that you proceed with using SSD because it helps your device to be faster. Okay, so here you have seen the active time, the average response time, the written speed, the capacity, the formatted, the system disk, and the page file. And as you can see here, I have here the SSD type of disk, and I suggest that you get also SSD type of disk. And after checking this one, we can now proceed with the app history. If you see an option for app history, please click on that. In my case, I don't have that, so I won't be able to go with that setting. So in the app history, all you need to do is just to look for the history that has the bigger bigger space or bigger resources. And if you don't want, or if you don't necessarily need that application or software, all you need to do is just to uninstall that. And if you also see any software or application that you don't use or you don't need anymore, but it's not taking too much resources, then better to uninstall it still because you're not usually using it. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to our startup tab, and just by clicking on this startup tab, you will see all the applications that you enable during startup. So once you see that this application, that certain application, you don't want to associate that in the startup process or during startup, then all you need to do is just to select that application and then make a right click on it and then click on disable button here to disable it during startup. Okay, so after doing this one, we can now close this window here, and this time we will open the run window. So let's press Windows R key all together, or we can also make a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to run options. So once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just to type appwiz.cpl. It's appwiz.cpl, and then once done, please click on OK or enter. And you will see here the option for uninstalling or change a program. So if you see here a certain program that you don't see or you don't need, and that is unnecessary for you, so you can just uninstall that program just by selecting it and then click on this uninstall button here, or you can also organize the folder's content. Okay, so after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device, and if you're still facing issues or your hard drive health is not still good, then just proceed with the last one, the last process, which is to search for CMD here in the Windows search tab, and then you will see command prompt under best match. So please make a right click on it and then click on run as administrator, and then just click on yes to proceed. Here you will see a black window coming up. All we need to do is just type SFC space scan now. I'm sorry, it's SFC space / scan now. Again, it's SFC space / scan now, and then the moment you hit enter, it will now begin the system scan, and this will take some time. So this will restart your Windows, or this will also enhance the hard drive health and the processor CPU of your device. Okay, so after doing this process, just make a quick restart and then you're good to go. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.